So, very good morning to my all dear children, my all dear students. In this class, we are going to discuss very important IUPAC naming, and that is for aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. The IUPAC naming for this topic is the favorite concept, favorite choice for the examiner. So we will see how we can frame the IUPAC name when aldehyde, ketone and we can say carboxylic acid are involved as functional group, means suffix. So for aldehyde we used generally al, for ketone on, and for carboxylic acid generally it is oic acid. Okay, and students, very important term, very important concept I would like to discuss, that is the carbon in these functional group. Aldehyde, that is CHO, ketone, that is CO, and the carboxylic acid, that is COOH. So carbon of these functional group generally used to count in main carbon chain, parent carbon chain. Suppose the carbon in carbon chain there are 3 carbon along with aldehyde group or ketone group or carboxylic group. That means the total number of carbon in the parental chain will be 4. It is very important. So let's start from aldehyde. CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. So as I discussed that the carbon of the functional group will be counting in the parental chain, and numbering will be start from that carbon only, because it is functional group, it is VIP functional group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 means butane, and the position of aldehyde is 1. So butane 1 al or butanal. Check here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. What I will do? Whatever the branching is there, no problem. Numbering will start from functional group carbon only. So by starting from there, we will move towards longest chain. So check 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 2 methyl. Now methyl is at side chain. Methyl is what? Side chain. 2 methyl, butane 1 all. Okay. Not generally butane 2 al. Never. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I will write butane 2 al, it will be wrong, students. I will start my numbering from carbon and I will move towards longest chain. The remaining portion will be covered as side chain, and side chain is nothing but substituents. So it can be methyl, ethyl or chloro, bromo, nitro, etc. So if double bond is there, then same thing, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 in, 1 all. If benzene ring is there, then benzaldehyde. If CHO group is directly connected with benzene ring, then it is benzaldehyde. If CHO group is not directly connected with benzene ring, then it will not benzaldehyde. It will be treated as same concept earlier one, 1, 2. 2 phenyl ethane, 1 all. 1 al. Because the carbon of functional group will be count in longest chain, because CHO is not directly connected with benzene ring. Here CHO is directly connected now. So I will start my numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. Check 4 ethyl, 2 chloro benzaldehyde, alphabetical manner, correct? Now if functional group, that is aldehyde, directly connected with cyclohexane or cycloalkane system, then directly we will use abstract IUPAC naming. Check cyclohexane and aldehyde. Between them I will write carbon. So cyclohexane carbaldehyde. It is what? It is abstract IUPAC naming. Next, CHO group is not directly connected. So same as we did in the case of this 2 phenylethane 1 all, it will be 2 cyclohexyl ethane 1 all. Now move towards ketone. Ketone CO or suffix as on. So near so dear, as per rule I will start my numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane 2 on. Okay, and if something like CH3CO, CH3, very common example in organic chemistry, acetone or also known as propane 2 on. it is what? If one CH, in place of one CH3, one benzene ring, acetophenone. If two benzene ring, two phenyl ring, we can say benzophenone. If ketone is connected with cyclohexane system, then cyclohexanone or cyclohexane 1-on. If two CO group are there, then cyclohexane 1,2-dione. Again, check student. Here I written E, not NaN, because this term is consonant. We already discussed this one in my previous IUPAC naming. So very simple example for ketone and very simple concept also. Now important is carboxylic acid, very important. And with oic acid, the formula is COOH. Okay. So check. I will start my numbering from this carbon, including this carbon. It will be considered in parental carbon chain, main chain 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 3-methyl, not ethanoic. It will be, it is wrong. 3-methyl, we can correct it. It is 3-methyl. 3 is in substituent side chain and total carbon are 4. So 3-methyl butane 1-oic acid. Done? Similarly, so suppose carboxylic acid is directly connected with cyclic system, cycloalkane, cyclopentane, cyclobutane. So cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Check. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Because the functional group is directly connected with cyclic system, then carb system or abstract IUPAC naming I will use. So cyclohexane carboxylic acid. If COOH is directly connected with benzene ring, then it will be benzoic acid, just like CHO. What is CHO? Here we can check. It is benzaldehyde. So same concept we can use for benzoic acid. Here benzyl, benzyl and benzo, 3 systems are involved. What is benzyl? When next to benzene ring, the carbon in which 2 hydrogen are there, it is benzyl. If 1 hydrogen is there, it is benzyl. Check, 1 hydrogen. If 0 hydrogen next to carbon, it is C double bond OH. Means H is connected with O, not with carbon. So it will be benzo. Okay, so same concept we can use here. Now, if 2 group are there, then same thing, cyclohexane 1,2-dione. So benzene 1,2-dioic acid, no problem. If more than one COOH group are present in carbon chain, then important student is there. Its name will be 1, 2, 3. Propane 1,2-dioic acid. Propane dioic acid, not 1,2-dioic acid. It will be propane dioic acid. Next, if something like this, then its name will be 1, 2 butane 1,2-dioic acid. Means what? Till 2 functional group, I will count them as longest chain. So its name will be butane, not 1, basically it is 1, 2, but numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be what? Butane 1,2-dioic acid. If more than 2 COH group, then I will not use this concept. I will use previous one. It will be 1, 2, 3, not 4, 5, 6. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Remember, if more than 2 COOH group are there, then same thing as we did in earlier, it will be propane dione, okay, or we can say butane dione, or we can say it is butane 1,2-diol in the case of alcohol, if 2 OH group are there. So same concept we will follow with 3 carboxylic acid group, that is propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. But till 1 or 2, I will count that COOH as main carbon chain and dioic acid I will put. Okay. So it's all about functional IUPAC naming of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. In next class, we will see IUPAC naming of amine, N containing compound, that is nitrogen containing compound, and it is actually amine. So we will see how we can named for amine also. So we will meet again. Till then, thank you. Thanks a lot.